Want to boost your credit score fast in 2025? It's one of the most important numbers in your financial life. A good score saves you thousands in interest. A bad one costs you big time. The process isn't complicated. Just follow the rules. Whether you're starting from scratch or fixing past mistakes, I'll show you the 5 key steps to improve your score. This is a clear, actionable roadmap. No fluff, just results. Let's dive in and turn your credit score into your financial superpower. When it comes to building a solid credit foundation, there's one rule that stands above all others. It's the bedrock upon which good credit is built, and ignoring it can have serious consequences. Always, without exception, pay your bills on time. Every single bill, every single month. Payment history isn't just a small factor, it makes up a whopping 35% of your FICO score. That's more than any other single factor. Even a single late payment, just one instance, can drop your score by as much as 100 points. The impact can be devastating. And the worst part, it can take years, sometimes many years, to fully recover from that single mistake. To safeguard against this, set up autopay for at least the minimum payment on every single account you have. However, if you prefer the control of manual payments, then be sure to set multiple reminders well in advance of the due date. With all the technology available today, from mobile banking to payment alerts, there's simply no excuse for a late payment. Consistently on-time payments demonstrate to lenders that you are a reliable and responsible borrower. Master this one simple rule and you've already won a huge part of the credit score battle. It's the foundation for financial success. Make paying your bills on time a non-negotiable habit, an integral part of your financial routine. Consistency is absolutely everything in this area. Consistent on-time payments are the key to unlocking a great credit score. Next, and this is crucial, keep your credit utilization low. This is one of the most impactful things you can do to improve your credit score. Ideally, you want to keep your credit utilization under 10%. Staying below that threshold demonstrates responsible credit management. But never, under any circumstances, allow it to climb above 30%. This is a significant 30% of your overall credit score, so it's not something to take lightly. Managing this well can lead to a substantial boost. Let's illustrate this with an example. If your credit card has a limit of $1,000, you should aim to keep your outstanding balance under $100. This demonstrates excellent credit management and yields the best results for your credit score. To maintain a low reported balance, pay off large purchases before your statement closes. This ensures that those high balances don't get reported to the credit bureaus, which could negatively impact your utilization ratio. Remember, this principle applies not just to one card, but to each and every credit card you own. It also affects your total credit utilization, which is the sum of all your balances compared to your total available credit. Lenders and creditors want to see that you have access to credit, indicating financial responsibility and stability. However, they also want to see that you don't necessarily need to use all of it, demonstrating that you're not overly reliant on borrowed funds. Therefore, always strive to pay your balance in full each month. Consistently using these strategies is a simple trick that can lead to a quick and noticeable boost in your credit score. By managing your credit utilization effectively, you show lenders that you're in control of your finances and not overly dependent on debt. Don't close your oldest credit card. Length of credit history is 15% of your score. Closing old accounts lowers your average account age and can drop your score instantly. Unless the card has a huge annual fee, keep it open. Put a small recurring charge on it and set up autopay. This keeps the account active and reporting positive history. The longer your credit history, the better you look to lenders. Stability and experience matter. Let your oldest card age like fine wine. Protect your score by keeping your credit history intact. Check your credit report for errors. 1 in 5 reports has a mistake. Errors can tank your score, even if you're doing everything else right. Get your free reports from annualcreditreport.com. Review every detail named, accounts, payment history. Dispute any mistakes online with the Bureau. They must investigate and fix errors, often within 30 days. Removing a negative mark can boost your score fast. Monitor your credit regularly, rotate checking each bureau. This is a free, powerful way to protect your score. For a fast boost, become an authorized user on a trusted person's well-managed credit card. Their positive history can instantly improve your score. This is great for beginners or those rebuilding credit. Choose someone responsible. Any negative activity affects you too. You don't need to use the card, just being added helps. This can add years of good history in a month or two. It's a powerful shortcut if you have the right person. A few final tips to keep in mind as you continue on your journey to building excellent credit. These are some key principles that will help you stay on track and avoid common pitfalls. Only apply for new credit when absolutely necessary. Think carefully before opening new accounts. Each application can have a temporary impact on your credit score. Applying for too many credit lines in a short period can lower your score, signaling potential risk to lenders. Be selective and strategic with your applications. Always, without exception, pay your statement balance in full each month to avoid accumulating interest charges. Interest can quickly add up and negate the benefits of using credit. Remember, credit is a tool, not free money. Use it wisely and responsibly. Treat it with respect, and it will serve you well. Set reminders and take advantage of auto-pay options so you never miss a payment. This is crucial for maintaining a positive credit history. Think of your credit score as a game, where consistent positive actions lead to higher scores and better rewards. Rack up points with consistent on-time payments, and avoid losing them by making mistakes like late payments or maxing out your credit cards. Be patient. Building great credit takes time and consistent effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is absolutely key to long-term credit success. Regular, responsible use of credit will yield the best results. Diligently follow these steps and you'll build a strong financial reputation that will open doors to opportunities in the future. Your future self will definitely thank you for the smart financial choices you make today. This is how you win the credit game and achieve your financial goals. That's your blueprint for an amazing credit score in 2025. Pay on time, keep balances low, don't close old accounts, check for errors, and use credit responsibly. These habits build your financial future and save you money. Start today and see real results in months. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips and let me know your credit goals in the comments. You've got this. See you in the next video.